Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. The only videos I do seem to be doing a week. I'm going to be doing a surf and turf with breaded cod. Since bread, I figured breading would count. So, let's get to it. Alright, gotta do some mashed potatoes because it just sounded really good. Kind of setting up my breading station here. Oop. As I almost knocked the tripod over. A little paprika and the flour. A little garlic. Sloppy mama. Alright, I got 2 pieces of cod here. I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit of MSG, the king of flavor. Alright. Alright. Get that into my skillet. I'm hoping I can squeeze both pieces in here. I think I should be able to. Oh crap. It's supposed to be flour first. Flour. An egg wash. And then panko. Alright. Ah, sweet, that's fit. Perfect. Now that the oven's finally hot for the fish, I can go ahead and get the fish in there. So it's about 450 for about, it said 10 minutes, but let's check it at 10. Potatoes are boiled. Oh, I may have gotten too much milk in there. Pan's nice and hot. A little additional oil. This is a Angus strip steak. So just got a flip. And great looking crust. Alright. Steak's cooking up nicely. Alright, let's pull out that fish. Now, the recipe I found, it was much darker on top than it was on the bottom. It was it almost looked like fish, and almost looked like fried fish coming out. But I don't know why, but when I baked it, it didn't get crisp at all. I'm almost wondering if I should have just pan fried it. Would have had a nice color I would have wanted. Well, what are you gonna do? This steak's probably about done. So, I want that. Get that off the heat. Get this off the heat. Let it rest a minute. Yep. If I can grip it. There we go. Well, I'm waiting for the steak. I'll go ahead and dish up my cod, or at least one of them. See how my mashed potatoes are looking. They've just been kind of sitting here. I know they're still hot because. Oh, actually, they're not too bad. They're not too thin. Of course, I like lemon on my fish, so squeeze a little lemon on there. I got some black pepper on there as well. Let's go ahead and get the steak on. Alright, there we go. Surf and turf. Nice strip steak, breaded cod, and some smush. Alright. I'm thinking pan fry the fish next time. At least I get the color I want. Give it a taste. Well, I'll tell you what, even though it's not the color I wanted, it tastes phenomenal. A little squeeze of lemon really freshens it up. Mashed potatoes, we got lots of butter and salt, pepper. Try the steak. Nice. Well, I rarely eat steak, but when I do, it's a real treat. And delicious. So, I'm going to finish eating the rest of this, off camera, of course. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching. And have any questions, ask away in the comments. Feel free. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be down below. Have a great rest of your week.